Maybe beauty, true beauty, is so overwhelming, it goes straight to our hearts. Maybe it makes us feel emotions that are locked away inside. You're lucky if you find something you like to do, and it's a miracle if somebody will pay you to do it. A friend of mine once defined love as finding someone you can talk to late into the night. Your mind creates your reality. If you expect nothing, you open up the universe to give you options. If you expect the worst, you usually get it. It's been said that love finds you when you're ready. You see, one of the best things about reading is that you'll always have something to think about when you're not reading. Better readers are better thinkers. I don't believe in lecturing people. It's much more effective to present reading as a fun, rewarding pastime. Love means never having to be apart. Never underestimate the power of funny. It moves mountains. The funny thing about facing imminent death is that it really snaps everything else into perspective. This time, I wouldn't forget him because I couldn't ever forgive him for breaking my heart twice. If you love something, let it go. If it comes back, it's yours. Good memories are like charms. Each is special. You collect them one by one until one day you look back and discover they make a long, colorful bracelet. If you're going to look back on something and laugh about it, you might as well laugh about it now. Assume nothing, question everything. I'm not stubborn, I'm right. Reading is not work, not a chore, not a drudgery. Reading is the most joyful thing yet in the world. People always remember the worst day of their lives. It becomes a part of them forever. Cats are like Baptists. You know they raise hell, but you can never catch them at it. Half the time when brothers wrestle, it's just an excuse to hug each other. Popcorn for breakfast. Why not? It's a grain. It's like grits, but with high self-esteem. Then I went to bed and cried into my pillow. I wasn't sad, not at all. It was just so beautiful to have an intense feeling and the right words at the same time. What are we but our stories? Fear is not the answer, not ever. Home is wherever we all are together. Knowledge is a terrible burden. It may help you, but it might also destroy you. Don't depend on others to give you strength. Find it within yourself. Another day, get up and face it. I don't smile as much as I should, even though I smile inside a lot. Somebody said the key to life is to work hard, play hard, rest hard, and I've pretty much adopted that. But what is life if you don't live it? When I write, I pretend I'm telling a story to someone in the room, and I don't want them to get up until I'm finished. The more you read, the better you get at it. A lot of people like the idea of eternal love and eternal romance, the notion of love that is more profound and deeper because it is eternal is very powerful. I love to tell stories. It's a delight for me. A good love story always keeps the pot boiling.